Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to use the chat lock on WhatsApp Business. So the first thing that you'll need to do is you have to go to your Play Store and download the application. And then use the search bar at the top to search for the WhatsApp Business. Okay, so after that you just have to download it and then install it on your device. And then right here, you'd be able to see the details of the application which protects your chats. So after that, you just have to open the application. Okay, so let's go back here and then click on open. Okay, now that you're here, just click on the three dots right here at the top right corner of your screen. Okay, so this one at the top. And then click on settings. Now you just have to scroll down and then click on the privacy. And then right here, scroll down until you can see the fingerprint lock. So you just have to click on it and then make sure to enable this switch right here. Now you just have to place your finger to your fingerprint lock, and after that you'll be able to enable the settings. Now right here, if you want to try the best privacy, set it immediately or after 1 minute. After that, you can also enable the show content and notifications. You'll be able to receive the message and not the content at the top. Okay, so that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how to videos next time. Adios.